Why do technicians prefer DENSO auto parts? When a vehicle needs to be repaired, both the vehicle owner and the mechanic are looking to get the repair done quickly and correctly. Both would like the vehicle back on the road as soon as possible, without any issues. Selecting a high-quality part that fits right the first time is the best way to make this happen. That's why our parts have a first-time fit promise. This guarantees parts will work right the first time. You'll get the best OE quality parts for your money. At DENSO, we pride ourselves on offering OE components. What does OE mean? OE stands for Original Equipment Auto Parts. And how do we deliver those OE auto parts to you? You may not be familiar with DENSO, but the top auto manufacturers know us really well. That's because they've been relying on DENSO parts to build their cars for over 70 years. In fact, the top 20 automakers in the world build their cars with DENSO parts. Our original equipment engineering, manufacturing, and quality expertise is incorporated into every aftermarket part we make, and that makes DENSO the smartest choice. Need an alternator or starter to ensure a quality repair the first time? We have you covered. Looking to enhance your vehicle's superior performance? Explore our wide range of aftermarket parts, including compressors, filters, ignition coils, and more. Visiting DENSOAutoparts.com is informative and convenient. With our user-friendly Find My Part feature, you can easily find the exact part you need. You can also download installation instructions, find a local distributor or national retailer, and get other valuable information. DENSOAutoparts.com is your trusted partner for all your major automotive repair needs. When shopping for superior quality, reliability, and value, trust the blue box with the red DENSO logo. DENSOAutoparts.com, where the best part is peace of mind.